Jamie Millen, cyfle yn bei Jamie Veal. Teg at y cwrt Cosby efo. Ar ei droed chwith rwan. Groesiad ddifn i mewn, teg at Mendes, mae'n cael ei ffernio allan. A mae'r gwiriad a'r bediad o Dido gan Sabre. Yr ergydd gan Aaron Edwards, mi wyrodd i ar un o amddiffynwyr y tîm cartra. Mae o Sabre di mynd un ffordd, y Bale yn mynd ffordd arall. A mae'n fath amateb yn wych ac yn cadw i dîm yn y gêm yma. Morris yn fficio fyny. Harrington allan i Declan Poole. Dau yn i'w wynebu. Thorn, y heibio i Thorn, a groesiad gad Mendes! Oedd y groesiad yn wych. Oedd y beniad yn glinigol. A mae Cei Connah wedi mynd ar y blaen yma ar ôl hanner awr o chwarae. Wedi gael awr o'r gêm di chwarae. Veal teg at Jenkins ar y postyn bella. Y beniad ar draws. Mae'n disgyn i Franklin! O, sut ar y ddur oedd hwnna mi mewn. O George Horan yno. O Harrington yno. O Oli Byrne y golwr yno. Cyfle i rhaid i nioni'r sgôr i Harry Franklin. Darlington. Chwilio ryddhau. Rhediad Phillips ond cael ei thorri lawr gan Morris. Gwaith da gan Jack Rimmer, mae Bale disgyn i Jamie Veal, allan i John Owen. Owen ar ergyd ar bediad wych. Ar ei bostyn agosa gan Oli Byrne. Jack Thorne. Ymlaen i Declan Poole, yn rhyddhau Insel. Mae'r golwr allan o'i gol, mae Insel o'i amgylch. Insel yn taro rwyd ochr. Un ath Sabre ddigon. I wneud yr ongl yn dynach i Insel. Ond efallai dylai fod yn neud yn well na nath o.
We're in fantastic form. I think that's, as well. I think that's 7 clean sheets out of 9 games as well. And it puts on the same points as Newtown, which have got a better goal difference than us. So that's all we can do. We can just look after ourselves. Short term is to make sure we're in the top 6. Mid-term goal is to try and compete for that European competition. Considering where we were, I think 8 weeks ago, we were third bottom. Now we're joint third top. It just proves that how well the players have done, and they've got to take all the credit in this. They work hard during the week. They're a fantastic group to work with, and then we take everything on the pitch, and not only do they show their ability, but they show the desire and the hard work and the togetherness to defend that clean sheet as well.
Corbs, tough evening, game with 2 halves. Do you feel you deserve the point?
Yeah, I think so. In the end, you can say we deserved the point, but ultimately we didn't score, did we? So, it's definitely a game of 2 halves. We can't start like that. I don't think there's many teams in this league that can allow a team like Connah's Quay to go in, run free for 45 minutes. But I think maybe I'll look at myself on that one. Maybe I've set the team up wrong. I think we absorbed a hell of a lot of pressure in the first 35 minutes. Maybe I'll put that down to myself tonight.